Find cos 75, sine 15 and cos 105 using given 1 and 2, given known values of 30, 45 and 60. So sine 30, cosine 30. I'll write it underneath actually. So let's just write them down. Sine 30, cosine 30 and tan 30. Sine 45, cos 45 and tan 45, and then sine 60, cosine 60 and tan 60. Now these are supposed to be well-known trig ratios, so I can write them down for reference sake here. They're in the book as given. So sine 30 is a half, cos 30 is root 3 over 2, tan 30 I think is 1 over root 3, sine 45 is 1 over root 2, cos 45 is 1 over root 2, and you can also write that as root 2 over 2, it's the same thing as that. Tan 45 is 1, sine 60 is the same as cos 30, root 3 over 2, cos 60 is the same as sine 30 because they're complementary angles, again that's a half, tan 60 is root 3. So there's our trig ratios then, using those. Now 1 and 2, cos and sine. Cos, this one will be 45 plus 35. 45 plus 30 rather is cos plus sine, isn't it? Minus sine 45 sine 30. Cos A plus B, here it is, cos minus sine. Okay, cos 45 root 2 over 2 then. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2 minus sine 45 is, which we can write as root 2 over 2, why not? And sine 30 is a half. So what do we get? We get root 6 minus root 2 over 4. And that's cos 75. Let's just type it in the calculator to check. Cos of 75. Root 6 minus root 2 over 4, yeah, that's fine. Sine 15. Sine 15. Now that would be 45 minus 30, wouldn't it? Which is sine A cosine B minus cos A sine B. If you check the formula, that's the formula. Put the values in. So it's equal to sine 45 root 2 over 2 cos 30, which is root 3 over 2, minus cos 45. Cos 45 is root 2 over 2. Sine 30 is a half, so it's root 6 minus root 2 over 4. Same again, because they're complementary angles. So sine 15 you'll get the same, which we did. So that's cos of that and sine of that. Now we want cos 105. Cosine 105 is equal to, what are we going to do here? We got 45. We got a 15 from here. Sine 15. So you could do cos 90, I suppose. Okay, 60 and 45, isn't it, of course? It's cos 60 plus 45. So it's cos A plus B is cos 60, cosine 45, minus sine 60, sine 45. There we are, 60 and 45. Cos 60 is sine 30, the same, that's a half. Cos 45 is root 2 over 2. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. And then sine 45 is root 2 over 2. So you got root 2 minus root 6 over 4. Let's have a look at that then. Cos 105. Cos 105. It's in the second quadrant. So it's root 2 minus root 6 over 4. It's complementary angle. It's the same as cos of 75, isn't it? Which was here, but with a minus, because they add up to 180 in the second quadrant. Okay, That's that done then?